course, as long as you know you can provide your partner with a long-lasting impression, like the performance in bed. It's Hi everyone, it's me again, Filipina Unique, and for today's video, guys, is I'm gonna interview my sister Filipina inspiring stories. And before we gonna start, I would like to say thank you so much for always supporting and watching to my YouTube channel. And without further ado, let's get started. And before I'm gonna start, I'm going to ask you my sister name. By the way, if you didn't know me yet, for those who don't know me yet, I am Chanrina, the Filipina Inspiring Stories in YouTube. Okay, so why do you name your YouTube channel into Filipina Inspiring Stories? Actually, guys, I decided to name my YouTube channel Filipina Inspiring Stories because I was inspired with my sister, Filipina Unique and Filipina Elated. And the purpose of my channel, guys, is I want to give the needy person. But since I'm also started, I am new to my channel, and I cannot provide the needs, or what are the necessary needs for giving the kids, like the very poor person, because there's a lot of poor person in the market. Because I have also an experience before that my mom is also a vendor there in the market. So this channel intended to the poor, because I want to help them, and I want also to inspire others. How long are you starting your YouTube channel? Actually, guys, I've been started my YouTube channel last January 2024, and it's been a year. But I didn't focus my channel because I already a job, because it's difficult to handle tasks at the same time. Okay, so what is your job? If you don't mind me asking. um, to be honest, no, to be honest, I am now teaching in both elementary and senior high school. But then again, since the elementary, I am an elementary teacher, but you know, um, the students, it's not enough, like only few students. That is why our department head also allowed us to teach high school, since we are capable to do the task. Okay, so are you teaching private school, right? Yeah, I'm now teaching in private school. Private school, it's different from public school, because the salary is different, because public school is high salary than in a private school, because you differ the students, because the students can pay the teachers, because no student, no salary at all. Yeah, that's the kanang private school, guys, here in Cebu. If you don't mind me to ask, yeah, how much your kanang salary? Yeah, to be honest, guys, my salary is very small. It's not enough to provide the necessary. It's enough, but what are the things that I need for myself? It's not enough. So if I have a plan to buy something for myself, uh, it um, it it's not enough, guys. So that is why I'm not saying that it's very small, like 40. How much estimated? How much estimated salary? Monthly? No, every 15 days. Okay, every 15 days. Every 15 days, I earn only 7,000 pesos. But that earnings will be will be deducted by the benefits like SS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth. So that is why the most difficult situation here in the Philippines, you your hard work, it's not enough to, to pay your salary, like your salary, it's not enough for your hard work.
Okay, so if you don't mind me asking, I forgot. Do you have kids?
Yeah, I have kids. One, he is already 8 years old.
So he is studying right now.
Yeah, he is studying right
What
now.
grade?
Grade 3.
Okay, grade 3.
Grade
So,
3.
why did you grab this opportunity to kanang create to create a YouTube channel, or to make a content? Why did you grab? Why did you grab this opportunity even though you have a job?
Actually, guys, since I am so inspired with my sister,
Okay.
yeah, with my sister Filipina elated, doing her content very well, and as far as I've observed that most of the Filipino vloggers are, are very, they can provide their needs even more. So that is why I'm also inspired to do content at the same time doing my task, because I cannot leave also my job, because this is my job, and
Yeah.
all I need to do that, I need to, to work a part-time also,
Yeah, part-time.
because vlogging, it's, something like there is there are some situation that you didn't really to it, or you you are not capable, no, you are capable to handle the things, because me, I don't have idea on how to edit videos, like what are the niche, the so that the audience will be interesting to your content as well. So when it comes to editing process, I'm not really good in editing, but
You
I
are
was
good. You are good, man.
yeah, but I'm not really good in editing,
You need
guys.
to practice more.
But I'm not saying that I don't know how to operate, but what I mean is I need to explore more the features about,
Or to enhance.
yeah, to enhance my skills.
Sana all skills.
Yeah, to enhance my skills, guys. So that is why I'm also grab this opportunity,
Okay.
yeah, to be in this kind of job, in this industry, to be part of your organization as well. And it's my pleasure to be with you.
So, do you have a husband?
Yeah, to be honest, I have a husband. I've been married for 2 years ago. And then we're separated because he cheated on me.
Okay, so do you like to date a foreigner?
Mm-hmm. Right now, I would not say that, still I'm not recovering the past, because it's not easy, guys, because we already have son,
A lot of experience as well.
yeah, we are a lot of responsibilities, you know, but still, but still undecided, guys, because you know, uh, I'm just still, um, I'm just still on the process of
Foreigner. So, would you like to date a foreigner in the future?
yeah, I'm not say right now that, um, yeah, I would like to date a foreigner, but for now, undecided. Yeah, undecided, because I also have my responsibilities. Especially, I want to focus my son for his education, and for myself as well. So yeah, I want to, for me, um, the reason is I want to date, for my opinion, based on my opinion, I suggest that dating a foreigner, especially Filipina out there who are now entering their early, you know, early dating with the Filipino, I suggest to them that dating a foreigner is quite advantage than Filipino.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so
Okay,
next
so
question is,
how much money to live comfortable in the province of the Philippines, in your opinion?
So in my opinion, guys, based on my experience, no, I was living there in the province, like in Toledo City. It's more comfortable than in Cebu City because you can, it's not really far. Yeah, it's not really far from the countryside, and if you need something, you just go there to the province and get something for you to, for you to have, like woods, or what are the things that you need, like vegetables, like, in the province, in the Cebu City, guys, it's the vegetables there, it's very expensive than in the countryside.
Yeah.
Mm.
So how much, in your opinion?
In my
In my
opinion,
opinion-
guys, so I am comfortable to live in the province because, as far as I say, that living in Cebu City is really far from the countryside. So to be indirect to the question to you, Filipina, you need, I think, 20,000 pesos a month. It's enough for me. 20,000 pesos. Because my salary is only 14,000 a month.
So it's 20K
Yeah, 20,000
to
a
live
month.
comfortable here in the
Yeah.
province of Philippines.
Yeah, I can also provide, the needs of my son, and of course for myself.
Okay, so in your
So,
next
opinion.
question, guys, this is a chicken nugget spicy question. So for you, and in your opinion, I want to know if what is your thoughts and opinion. So size doesn't matter for you, or no, or yes, or no, or yes.
For me, guys, it doesn't matter
Okay.
how small or how long it is, as long as you can provide your partner with a long-lasting impression, like, the performance in bed. It's important.
Okay, so kanang size doesn't matter for you.
No, it doesn't matter, as long as you love your partner. You love your partner also, and yeah, getting to know each other. What are the things that you need to do for your task in bed?
Okay. Yeah.
It doesn't matter, as long as
Doesn't
you
matter.
and your partner, satisfied what he needs or what I need.
Yeah. Okay, nice answer, sister. Okay, so next question. In your opinion, why do Filipina date foreigners?
Actually, Filipino wants to date a foreigner because of financial stability. So foreigner also can provide something, what your Filipina wants, because that's the most important when dating with someone else. You can provide her what she wants. Yeah.
Okay, so next
Okay,
question.
so-
Spicy nuggets question. This is entertainment purposes only, guys, ha? So, in your opinion, how long is too long and how short is too short? In your opinion.
I think 10 inches is very long. 10 inches, guys, is very long. But 6 to 5 inches, 4, I think 5 to 4 to 3, it's quite small.
Okay, for
But
you.
I prefer, in my opinion, but I prefer to, 6 to 7 inches.
Why do you prefer 6 to 7 inches? Oh my goodness.
um, you know, as a Filipina, as a Filipina, we need also
Happiness?
satisfaction,
Or happiness?
satisfaction and happiness.
Ah.
But as far as I say earlier, that it doesn't matter as long as you truly love your partner, and you know what are the needs of your Filipina, what are your needs. So you need to confess each other what are the things that you don't like and what are the things that you like.
Okay. So, what are the things you don't like?
For me, I don't like doggy. For me,
Doggy.
guys, I don't like doggy, guys, because I'm not saying that it's like it's a little bit It's weird. It's a little bit rude, guys.
Rude.
So I've experienced like 69, but
In
sometimes
your ex-boyfriend?
yeah, we already tried 69, but the the winner is traditional way.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, that's only the best traditional way, everyone. Traditional way.
Ah, okay. Nice.
Yeah, guys, but if you want to actually, guys, if you know, some Filipina also explore different position, but it's up to you guys. But for me, I like traditional position. Sometimes very rare 69, but yeah, it's your decision. It's your partner decision. If you truly love that person, you can do what your partner wants. So that's it. Okay.
Okay, next question. Okay, in your opinion, okay, how many rounds does a Filipina satisfy in bed?
For me, guys, based on my experience, yeah, one performance for me is enough.
Yeah,
But
for you.
for me, guys, because there is sometimes, guys, I want more. I want more, guys, if I'm not really satisfied of his performance.
Okay, so
But twice,
how many rounds in a day?
only one round.
Only one
Only
round.
one round, guys.
But there is a lot of Filipina kwan. 10 rounds. 7 times a day.
I don't based on my experience, guy. I didn't try to to have a love making with my partner. I tried three times in a day, but three above. I think it's not. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, unbelievable. But I think nang 7 times a day is kanang it happens only for kanang foreigners.
I think, guys, if you are in a long distance relationship, yeah, you can really do that things, or you can really do that round like 7 rounds or 7 rounds to 10 rounds in 24 hours. In 24 hours, guys. Mark it. 24 hours, but in the next day, no love making at all.
Okay, for you.
Yeah, for me, guys, if you are in
In
a
your
long,
opinion.
yeah, based on my opinion, guys, if you are in a long distance relationship, after for how long, yeah, with your partner, I think 7 to 10 rounds in 24 hours is, it's okay.
Okay, I think that's all for today's video, guys, and hope you enjoyed this video. And before we end this interview, please subscribe to my sister channel,
Filipina Inspiring Stories. So don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and I'm so grateful also, sister, that I'm also being part of your content
welcome.
this afternoon.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
all, guys.
That's
Thank
all.
you for
Bye,
watching.
everyone.
Bye bye.